In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme colors in Google Sheets. First, open Google Sheets and make sure you have the spreadsheet you want to edit on screen. At the very top, look for the toolbar with options like File, Edit, and View. Click on Format to open the formatting menu for your sheet. From the drop-down that appears, choose Theme. As soon as you do, a theme panel will open on the right side of your screen. This panel is where all your theme options live, and any changes you make here will apply across the entire spreadsheet, including charts, headers, and other elements that use theme colors. You can start by exploring the predefined themes listed in the panel. These are ready-made color palettes designed to look cohesive and readable. Click on any theme to preview how it transforms your sheet. If you're after a quick refresh or a professional look without much effort, these presets are a great choice. If you want more control, click Customize in the Theme panel. This opens color selectors for key elements like text, background, and accents. Use these to fine-tune the palette. When picking colors, aim for strong contrast between text and background so your data stays easy to read. If you have brand colors, this is a good place to use them. You can choose precise shades and see how they update tables, charts, and other themed components in real time. As you adjust, pay attention to how charts, alternating row colors, and headings respond. Theme colors cascade through your sheet, so a single change can create a consistent look throughout. If anything doesn't look right, you can switch to another theme or refine your custom colors until you're happy. Remember, theme changes don't override manual formatting you've applied to specific cells, so you may want to remove any conflicting cell colors if you want the theme to shine through everywhere. When you're satisfied, click Apply at the bottom of the theme panel. This saves your choices and updates the spreadsheet with your selected theme colors. If you change your mind later, you can reopen the theme panel and adjust or switch themes at any time. And if you need to revert a change immediately, the undo command will take you back. That's it. By using the theme panel under the Format menu, you can quickly set cohesive, readable colors across your entire Google Sheet, making your data clearer and your document more polished.